If you've ever recorded a video and noticed awkward pauses, dead air, or long silent sections, this tutorial is going to help you clean that up fast. In this video, I'll show you how to remove silence in CapCut step by step so your edits feel tighter, more professional, and much easier to watch. This is a simple trick that can save you a ton of time when you're editing talking videos, tutorials, voiceovers, podcasts, or any content where silence breaks the flow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and bring your video into the timeline. If your clip is already in the project, you're good to go. The next thing you want to do is zoom in closely on the timeline so you can see the audio clearly. On a Windows keyboard, you can use Ctrl and plus to zoom in, or you can stretch the timeline slider until the waveforms are easier to read. The goal here is to make the timeline detailed enough that you can spot every pause without guessing. Once you've zoomed in, make sure your audio waveform is visible. If the track looks too small, increase the height of the audio track so you can clearly see the blue waveform lines. This is important because silence is easiest to find when the waveform is visible. When there's sound, you'll see movement in the waveform, but when there's silence, you will notice a flat line with little to no activity. That flat section is what you want to remove. Now start scanning through your timeline and look for those long flat lines. Every time you see a completely flat line on the waveform, that means there is a silent section in your video. If you're editing like a talking clip, these are usually the awkward gaps between sentences or pauses that make the pacing feel slow. Once you find one, move your playhead to the very start of the silent section, then press Ctrl and B to split the clip right there. After that, move your playhead to the end of the silence and press Ctrl and B again to make a second split. Now the silent section is isolated as its own piece. Click on that silent chunk to select it, and then press Delete to remove it from the timeline. CapCut will close the gap, and your video will become shorter and more compact. You can repeat this process across the entire video for every silence you want to remove. Start at the beginning of the timeline and work your way through, splitting and deleting each dead air section as you go. It may feel a little manual at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes very fast. The more you zoom in and use the waveform as your guide, the easier it is to make precise cuts without removing the words you actually want to keep. If your video has a lot of pauses, this method can dramatically improve the pacing and make your content feel much more polished. It's especially useful for YouTube videos where keeping attention is everything. A tighter edit can make your video more engaging and help your message come across more clearly. And here's a quick tip. If you're working on a long video, you can go section by section instead of trying to clean everything in one pass. That makes the process less overwhelming and helps you catch more silences. So to quickly recap, zoom into the timeline, turn on and expand the audio waveform, look for the flat silent lines, split at the start and end with Ctrl plus B, then delete the silent section. That's the fastest way to remove silence in CapCut manually. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and check out the next tutorial on your screen for more beginner-friendly editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.